Now, this video is going to show you an example of a contrast and contradiction in the story, Thank You, Ma'am. I'm going to point out to you where I noticed a contrast and contradiction, and then talk you through what my brain was thinking as I found it. A couple things I want to show you about StudySync before we get started. On your screen, if you make sure that the word annotation is orange, then it will let you type some notes in the text. And if you click the numbers, you'll notice next to the paragraphs there are numbers. So as you follow along with me, you can know which paragraph I'm talking about. Now, since you already read this story, I won't reread it to you, but I will show you where I found some contrasts and contradictions. The first one actually happened in line or paragraph 14, which says, "Then it will get washed this evening," said the large woman, starting up the street and dragging the frightened boy behind her. I'm going to stop here because as I was reading, I was alert for when characters were acting in a contradictory way. And when I found one, I pause and I ask myself, why would the character act this way? At this point, I'm surprised that the woman does what she does. If someone tried to steal something of mine and I caught them, I don't think my first impulse would be to take him home and to wash his face. She's acting in a way that contradicts with what I would expect. So I'm going to ask myself, why? I'd expect her to haul him off to the police station, but she does the opposite. She takes him home to clean him up. Why would she do this? I have to say that I'm not sure. Perhaps she knows this boy's mother, and so she thinks that she can care for him. I don't know enough at this point yet, so I'm going to keep reading, but I do want to make a note. And what I'm doing here is I'm just recording what my brain is thinking. I said maybe the woman knows the boy's family and thinks that she can care for him. This is helping me to understand a little bit more about why the woman is acting the way that she is, and maybe it's going to help me understand more about the story as I read on. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep reading now.